Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given a diagram and there are right angles within this triangle. So let's see, what are we supposed to find? We are supposed to find this CD. And so I'm going to just focus my effort on this triangle. Which? Special tip. Draw it out. That will make it easier. ACD. We are supposed to find this length later on, and I have 26 here. I also have 7. So I saw that the angle that we can use is 26 degree. This is my A, adjacent side. This is the longer side, H. So given so I have my A, I have my H. Which ratio do you think we should use? Yes, cosine ratio of 26 degrees is equals to the CD that we are supposed to find over hypo H. And therefore, to find CD, I simply just need to multiply by 7 to cosine 26. From here, I can get my answer. Okay, press calculator. And you will get 6.29156 to 6 significant figures, followed by 3 sig-fig answer. For part B, we need to find this. And for part B then, I'm going to channel my efforts to this right angle triangle. So if you are not very good at looking at the particular triangle, then this is what I would suggest. For part B, right, same like what we did for part A, I am going to just draw out the blue color triangle. Just do a sketch so that we can sieve out the relevant information. Again, I have 26 degree and 7 here. We are supposed to find here. So with respect to this angle, 26 degree, this is my opposite side, and this happens to be my adjacent side. With so now, I have my O, I have my A. So for part B, I'm going to use tangent ratio of 26 degree. Opposite over adjacent. And so, to find the length AB, I simply just need to multiply by 7 to tangent 26 degree. And I press my calculator. And so this will give me a value of 3.41413 to 6 significant figures, followed by final answer 3 significant figures, and we are done. Alright, so if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel where I release mathematics videos and examples. And a very big thank you for watching this video, and have a nice day.